Gonna make history, bro. Don't worry.
4,
12 straight
5,
games. Talo.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Kulang.
Okay, tuloy lang, Daloy. Kasama si Magbike?
Oo.
31 kasama niya.
Tsada kayo yung lugar. Tsada kayo. Thank you po. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa support niyo sa amin. Sana po malaking inyong buhay. Helebra! 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 Helebra!
Raymond! Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Sana po supportahan yung PBA. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Julius Timorio. Maraming salamat po. Nood po kayo tomorrow sa Convention Center. Ano oras ba? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock po yun po. Kita-kita po tayo.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako si Don Gumaro. Supportahan niyo po ang Ginebra. Thank you po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa pag-welcome sa akin dito sa Ginebra. Pagpunta po kami bukas sa game namin 6 p.m. Convention Center. Sa City Hall, very nga po pala.
We're so happy to be back to Cagayan de Oro. It's been a long time. With the pandemic, we were able to come down, and this has always been my favorite city in the Philippines. I love Cagayan de Oro. I have very many memories. So thank you for. It's great to see everybody here. It's so awesome to see everybody. Thank you so much. Hopefully to win our game for you tomorrow.
Alright, thank you very much. My name is Mark Westland. Skills and talents to the game. They form a formidable unit capable of overcoming any challenge that comes their way. From the thunderous drums of our big men to the pinpoint accuracy of our sharpshooters, every member of the team contributes to our collective success. With a winning tradition that spans generations, Barangay Ginebra continues to inspire fans across the nation and beyond. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the magic of Barangay Ginebra as they dominate the court with their trademark blend of skill, passion, and heart. And get ready to experience the thrill of Barangay Ginebra basketball, where every game is